Hi guys, what time is it? It's the same time as it was last week. So we're cooking with To and Sayrung. Wonder what we're having to eat tonight and what they're going to cook up for us. Better stay on and have a look.
Hi guys, why wouldn't you want to come to Thailand? Huh? Look at this. Awesome. Come visit.
Hi guys, so second part of the cooking that we've got. You can see that you've got the kapow leaf there and some chilies and some garlic all ready to be prepared. Just pulling the heads off of the chilies and popping them in. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of chilies in this. Some minced pork and some eggs, and we've got fish sauce, oil and oyster sauce. It was about 1 kilo of minced pork. There's all the ingredients there waiting to be prepared. Sayrung there is pulling all the leaves off of the kapow leaf, kapow plant. We've now got this grown in the garden, so it will be very handy. It's very cheap anyway to buy in the local markets. And there's To peeling the garlic. Lots of garlic. Nearly a bowl of the kapow leaves there, and To smashing the garlic up. And finally chopping. Plenty of garlic, guys. And bashing the chilies in the mortar and pestle. Bruising them up to release the seeds and the flavour. A bit of oil in the pan, and in goes the garlic. Fry that off. And also, for the chef, a nice cold Leo. Look at the coolness coming off of the beer. Pop in the pork and fry that off with the garlic. You can see the garlic was just turning a little brown, so I'll put that pork in and keep moving it around. Fish sauce. And that's soy sauce. And continue stirring. Just frying that pork until it's cooked. And in goes the oyster sauce. Pop in the chilies. And incorporate all into the pork. Garlic. And incoming kapow leaves. Plenty of those in there because they do wilt down. Chef's taste. he's going to put in just a small amount of sugar. And there you go. Look at that. I couldn't believe how quick this happened, how quick the cooking is. You got the prep, obviously, but it's a really quick meal to make, and it's absolutely tasty. And don't forget that fried egg, guys. Makes it all. Lisa looks like she's enjoying that. Guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. The second cooking one with the To and Sayrung have done. They make it look so easy, don't they? So follow the recipe and try it. It's spicy, but a chilli spice will always dissipate after about 10 minutes. When you have an Indian spice, it tends to last with you for a long time and repeats on you. But Thai food isn't like that. Do try it out. It's absolutely awesome. And it's actually one of my favourite Thai foods. And don't forget to have the fried egg on top of the rice. Try and make it runny. It is really good. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I still hope you're enjoying our journey. Thanks to all my subscribers and thanks to all my new subscribers. So don't forget, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. Share it makes a massive difference getting it out there. Just share it on your timeline, on your Facebook page. And also, don't forget my live stream this Saturday, 8 o'clock Thai time, 2 PM UK time. So, stay safe.